Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you top 5 best free PNG websites that you can use right now. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find these resources useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more free stuff like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back to this video. The fifth website I would like to show you as far as free PNG is concerned is PNGMart.com. PNGMart.com offer free variety types of PNG high quality images. So when you get to the site, simply scroll down and you see high quality images, as you can see on my screen right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see free PNG images that you can use for your designs. And alternatively, come to the top right and make use of the search engine and search for whatever type of images you are looking for. So let's say, for instance, we are searching for cats, then click on search right here, just like so, and it takes you to this particular web page. You can simply scroll down, and then the more you scroll down, the more the free PNG cat is going to load up, just like so, and you can simply download them and use it for your next design project. It is all for free. Okay, so just like so, let's take a look at the fourth one I have for you as far as free PNG images is concerned. So let's go. So the fourth one I have for you here is PNG.com. Just like so, free PNG images. Our database contains more than 16,000 free transparency PNG files. So you can simply scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more free PNG images is going to load up, just like so, as you can see on my screen right here. And one good thing about this particular website here, also, they have AI tool that allow you to remove the background of any images. For you to use that feature, just come to the background remover, then you are good to go. Alternatively, you can browse by keyword right here, search for different type of PNG images by clicking on any of the link right here and take you to variety images. Or better still, the more you scroll down and the more you see free PNG images that is going to load up. What you need to do is to simply click on any one of them, download them all for free without even creating an account with a website. So this is the fourth one I have for you. Let's take a look at the third one as far as free PNG images is concerned. So the third one I have for you here is Iclipart.com. Iclipart.com also offer free high quality PNG images. When you click on this, when you log on the site, it takes you to this particular page. Then you can simply click on any of the keyword right here. When you click on any of the keyword, it takes you to the full website page whereby you see all available images under the marketing section. Okay, so just like so, these are all high quality PNG images for marketing content. The more you scroll down, the more the PNG images is going to load up. Alternatively, you can make use of their search engine right here, type in the whatever keyword of the image you are looking for, and you are going to see a lot of variety results. And also, you can also search by sizes. You can search by colors of different images on this particular site. So this site has a lot of features that you can simply play around with. So when you see any of the image that you like, what you need to do, simply click on the image, then your PNG file is going to prepare. Click on download, then you are good to go. The more you scroll down, the more the image is going to load up. So this is the third one I have for you as far as top 5 free PNG website images is concerned. Let's take a look at the second one. Here we go. So this is the second one I have for you, PNG3.com. PNG3.com over 20 million graphic resources for free download, ranging from PNG, stock photo, and the likes. What you need to do on getting to this particular site, simply scroll down. The more you scroll down, you see variety of images. But if you want to browse by PNG images, simply navigate to the top right here. You see PNG images. When you click on PNG images, this is going to drop down. Then select the type of PNG images you are looking for. Let's, for instance, you want 3 PNG, leaf PNG, some PNG. Just make sure that you are in PNG section. Scroll down right here, and the Independence Day, star, sun, cloud, people, cars, ribbon, smoke, birthday, French day, arrows, flower, explosion, circle, water, etc. These are all items that was categorized under the free PNG on this particular website. So this is the second one I have for you as far as top 5 free PNG website is concerned. Let's take a look at the first one I have for you as far as best free 5 PNG website for images is concerned. Here we go. So the first one I have for you in my list here is PNGegg.com. PNGeggcom have a similar with Iclipart.com. Now, when you get to the site, it looks like this. You can simply scroll down. The more you scroll down, you see high quality PNG images that you can simply download and use it for any project. It's as simple as that. So you can also come to the top right here and make use of their search engine right here. Click on here and type in the name of the picture you are looking for. You are going to see similar result. A lot of result is going to be sent to you. Then from there, click on download and it is all for free. So basically, this is top 5 free PNG images website I have for you as far as this tutorial is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more free tutorial, free stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.